Example 1. 2, 10, 21, 23, 38, 38. That's example 1. 2, 10, 21, 23, 38. Example 2. 5, 6, 1, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 7, 8, 1. Example 3. 5, 6, 1, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 7, 8, 4. That's example 2. Example 3. We examine all these examples. You know that this example is raw data. It's in form of raw data. Then before we calculate this, we need to convert it to group data. Then we still examine on group data also. But this one is raw data. So now, let's quickly divide some parameter. Because if you understand the parameter, you will know how to calculate it. It will make it easy for you to calculate. Now, X means data. Y frequency, F means frequency. X equal to data, F equal to frequency. Then this sign, look at this sign, look like Z. The meaning in mathematics is sum. Although we have different meaning, we have a lot of things in mathematics, but because of your level, you don't need to know that one for now. But if you have interest to study mathematics in future, you will know much about that. For example, if I want to talk, if I want to write something, if I don't want anybody to know, I can write it in a code. This one stand. If I want to write it, if I write something like this thing, the meaning of this thing is there exists. If I want to write, so that if I want to continue to write it in form of mathematics, I will write it, and then you will not know. But for your own level now, you don't need to know that one for your own level. What you just need to know is what I want to give you now. Now, this one is summation. This now is sum, addition. Why this one now? Sum plus F, that is total number under the raw. This one is for raw. Why this one? Sum of the frequency. Then we have what we call Fx. Fx means frequency times data. That is F times X. So then we have summation Fx. So that one is sum of frequency times data. We is sum of frequency. We is times data. So that's for that. Let's quickly examine question number 1. Let's quickly solve question number 1. Then we move to question number 2. Then we move to group data in detail. So now, either you use this formula or this one. But this one is for group data. Why this one is for raw data? This formula is for group. This one is for raw. We still make use of this one. So the same thing. N stands for summation Fx. Summation Fx and N is the same thing. So our answer will be 4. So our median will be 4. Then mean. And then you know the formula for mean before. Summation x over n. And then the meaning of summation x, I told you the meaning of summation, addition, that is, this x, this value is x, everything is x, we call it data. Another name for that x is data. So the symbol for data is x. The symbol for data is x. And then another name for data is information or observation. So now, let's quickly do mean of this question. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 and plus 8 and plus 8 plus 7 and plus 8. So everything divided by n, which n is 11 already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. N is 11. So our n is 11. This one is summation of x, addition of x. This one is x. So if we add everything together, definitely this one plus this one, this one plus this one, this one plus this one. If we add everything together, it will give us 44. Everything will give us 44. Please add it. So it will give us 44. So everything will give us 44. So 44 divided by 11, our mean will be 4. So that's answer for me. Our mean will be 4. That's answer for our mean. So don't forget, if you want to calculate mean, you will use this formula for raw data. So that is summation of everything. But you can still use the same question. You can use group data to calculate it also. So let's quickly check one or two examples from group data. So now this is group data. Group data are data formed by aggregating individual observation of a variable into group. Group data are data formed by aggregating individual observation of a variable into groups. So now I told you another meaning for data is information or observation. If I ask you now, get the total number of the people that present in JS1, or get the mark, those people that fail, those people that fail or pass from JSS2 for me or JS3 for me. Definitely what I asked you to get is data of them, or information of them, or observation of them. So from them. So now example, let's quickly check example from group data. Let's check example from group data. Now, listen, I want you to know this. The question can come out in form of raw data or grouped data. If question come out in form of raw data, you can still use the formula of group data to do it. You can still use the formula of group data to do it. Assuming now, this one is 11 now. Assuming they give you maybe 100. Assuming this data is 100 now. You know that before you say that 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3, before 100, before you will reach 100, this thing will take a lot of time. So because of that, instead of you to use raw, you will use group data. Instead of you to use raw, you will use group data. Again, if our data is more than 11, maybe 100 or 80, to add them together, this thing will give you problem. So instead of that, you will use group data. Instead of that, you will use group data. So because of that, you need to know group data. So question can come out in form of group data or raw data. If question comes